आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर सिविल सप्लाईज एन मनोहर ने अहम ऐलान किया है। उन्होंने बताया कि रियासत में पहली बार स्मार्ट राशन कार्ड तकसीम किए जाएंगे। ये कार्ड 25 अगस्त से रियासत भर में 1 करोड़ 45 लाख मुस्तहिक खानदानों को मुफ्त फराहम किए जाएंगे। रियासती वजीर के मुताबिक नए स्मार्ट कार्ड के एक जानिब इस्तेफादा कुनिंदा की तस्वीर होगी, जबकि पिछले हिस्से पर अहले खाना की तफसीलात और QR कोड दर्ज होगा। कार्ड की तकसीम आइंदा माह 15 तारीख तक 4 मरहलों में मुकम्मल की जाएगी और इससे अवाम को किसी भी राशन शॉप से सहूलत के साथ राशन मिल सकेगा।
August 25th, the Alliance government in Andhra Pradesh, led by the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu garu, we have made several new use of technologies and trying to deliver services better to all our consumers. So accordingly, we have come with a smart rice card, which will help every family have an own ID card, which has the safety measures, which is also done away with the previous tradition of having political leaders' photographs. We don't have any political leaders' photograph. It's only the emblem of the government of India and the government of Andhra Pradesh. And the family members' details are very clear, legible, for everyone to understand how this card is going to be used. The QR code scanner will automatically give us all the data with regard to how much ration they have taken and from which shop, and the family member details. And this will be uploaded on a real-time basis. All the data is being integrated on one single platform, and we'll have a dashboard for all the joint collectors and the collectors to oversee the arrangements to ensure speedy delivery of the